Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in brilliant black crystal pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crosspath detection, tail lamp bezels with chrome finish, dual dark chrome exhaust tip, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated rear seats, DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6242.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.